In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Microsoft Project. We'll walk through the cloud subscription options, the one-time desktop license, and how organizations can purchase through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center so you can choose the route that fits your work and your budget. If you want the cloud-first experience, Microsoft offers subscription plans you pay for monthly or yearly. These include web access and, depending on the tier, the desktop client. Planner and Project Plan 1 is the entry level for basic web-based planning, typically around $10 per user per month, though pricing can vary by region. Planner and Project Plan 3 adds advanced scheduling, resource management, and access to the desktop client and is usually around $30 per user per month. Planner and Project Plan 5 is the top tier, designed for portfolio management, advanced analytics, and enterprise capabilities, generally around $55 per user per month. To buy any of these, go to the official Microsoft Project pricing page on Microsoft.com, choose your plan, and select Buy Now. Sign in with your Microsoft account, pick monthly or annual billing, confirm the quantity, and complete checkout. You'll need a Microsoft account to subscribe, and note that some plans include the Project Online desktop client as part of the subscription. Prefer to own the software outright? You can purchase a standalone desktop license. Microsoft Project Professional 2024 is available as a one-time purchase on the Microsoft Store, typically around $1,129.99. Older perpetual versions, like Project 2021 Standard, may still be offered by authorized retailers. To buy, visit the Microsoft Store page for Project Professional or Standard and select Buy Now, or purchase from authorized Microsoft resellers online or local stores that sell genuine software. Be cautious with unusually cheap licenses from third-party sites. Many are unauthorized or invalid and can lead to download or activation issues. Stick to trusted sellers directly from Microsoft or certified partners. If you're buying for a team and you have Microsoft 365 Business Admin access, you can purchase through the Admin Center. Sign in at admin.microsoft.com, go to Billing, then Purchase Services, choose Project Plan 1, 3, or 5, and complete the purchase with your billing details. This route makes it easy to assign project licenses to individual users in your organization. That's it. Decide whether a subscription or a one-time license aligns with your needs, buy from official sources, and you'll be ready to start managing projects with confidence.